Hello everybody, it is a favorite boy tech support. So, okay class, today we'll be solving this math problem. The question is, the question is, if one zero of the polynomial is a reciprocal of the other, what is the value of t? As we can see, the equation we have is t square plus 16 times z square plus 128z plus 80. 8 and t. So guys, since this is a quadratic polynomial, it means that this t here is a number. It's a, yeah. So now I'll show you how we'll solve this problem. So since we know that the polynomials are alpha and the reciprocal of alpha, so I'll just do this of alpha. And now I'll show you how we can solve this question. So first we know that if we do alpha times 1 over alpha, the product of the zeros in a quadratic polynomial is the same thing as c divided by a. In this case, we know that z squared is the variable, and t square plus 16 is the coefficient of z square. So since it's a reciprocal, this should be equal to 8t divided by t squared plus 16, right? But this entire part, alpha times 1 over alpha, is equal to 1, right? So if I just undo this really quickly, this is the same thing as, I'll just write this here, 1 equal to 8t over t square, sorry, t square plus 16 in brackets. Also, brackets are really important, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply t square plus 16 on both sides. So that leaves us with t square plus 16 equal to 8t. But once we subtract 8t from both sides, to get zeros, we can make another quadratic polynomial for the zeros, or not for the zeros, I apologize. For the t value, we are going to get t squared plus, sorry, not plus, I apologize, minus 8t plus 16. Now, if you don't already know, this is a perfect square because 16 is a perfect square, t square is a perfect square. And since we know through the sum and product rule, minus 4 times minus 4 is 16, and the sum of minus 4 and minus 4 is minus 8, we can just write this as t minus 4 the whole square. So that means that, wait, let me just increase the inflow here. That means that t is equivalent to 4. That is a really short tech support video. I'm making another tech video tomorrow about iOS jailbreaking. Actually, I'm gonna cancel jailbreaking because it's a pretty vague and pretty boring subject, and you already know a lot about it unless you're Android literate or you are any other race than white. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you can use this method in other questions as well. Okay, so as a boy tech support. Sue. For those of you who stayed, I want to tell you that let's say that this t squared plus 16 times z squared, it won't always be there. It could have been something like t squared times z square plus 16z square. So you would need to make z square as common only, but that is only applicable if this b value here had the variable as z. Okay, so I'm sorry for the Sykes Sue. I'm going to sue again. Sue! Bye bye.